Welcome back. Today we start anew. This week can reset your life and mind. You do not need pills or magic tricks, only small habits done every single day. Day 1 begins with water in the morn. Drink more than usual. Wake your tired cells. Water refreshes your body and your brain. It clears your mind and gives energy too. Start with 1 full glass before your meal, before coffee, tea, or anything else. Today, day 2 focuses on clean, healthy food. Eat fruits, vegetables, add colors to plate. Avoid fried snacks, sugar, and salty treats. Your body loves simple, natural meals. Now, green, red, orange, and yellow foods give power. Small steps in eating protect your heart. Healthy meals improve energy, focus, mood. Your digestion works better. You feel alive. Day 3 is movement. Stretch, walk, or run. Exercise for 30 minutes or more each day. Movement improves strength, health, and your mood. Daily motion keeps your heart and mind strong. Day 4 is sleep, your body's healing time. Go to bed at same hour each single night. Turn off phones, lights, and loud, noisy sounds. Deep sleep repairs your body and your mind. Day 5 trains your mind with calm, deep focus. Breathe slowly. Think positive. Write your thoughts. Stress and negative thoughts drain your energy. Positive words and ideas change your brain fast. Day 6 reduces bad habits. Smoke or sugar not screen time. Actions that serve you. Self-control strengthens your health and your will. Choose routines that grow your body and mind. Day 7 builds a plan you can repeat each day. Health is lifestyle, not just a single week. Repeat these habits daily. Track small progress. Celebrate improvements, even the little ones. 7 days can show real change in your life. Energy rises, focus sharpens, mood feels better. People see your glow, but reward is inside. You feel proud, stronger, more alive every day. Health is not perfection, it is progress. Missing a day is fine, just continue always. Consistency beats motivation. Small steps win. Discipline brings real results. Slowly, but sure. Treat your body with respect. It is your home. No one else can live your life for yourself. Start now today, not next week or tomorrow. Begin before fear whispers. Begin before delay. Now, we move to simple daily habits. Small actions repeated build strong health. Start with clean water every single day. Hydrate your body. Wake up your tired cells. Next, choose food that nourishes your mind. Fruits and vegetables. Colors on your plate. Avoid sugar, fried snacks, and too much salt. Natural meals give energy, keep you strong. Movement is key. Walk, stretch, or run. Even 30 minutes improves mood and heart. Exercise helps your mind stay focused, clear. Daily motion strengthens body, soul, and will. Sleep is sacred. Protect it every night. Turn off screens, dim the lights, breathe deep. Resting your body repairs cells and hormones. Good sleep makes your energy rise tomorrow. Train your mind with calm, positive focus. Write your thoughts. Think clearly. Breathe slowly. Stress leaves when your mind feels clear. Today, positive thoughts reshape your body and mood. Reduce bad habits. Small steps every day. Stop smoking. Limit sugar. Control screen time. Self-control builds power and lasting health. Choose actions that serve both body and mind. Make a simple plan for each coming day. Repeat your new habits. Track small progress. Celebrate improvements, even very little ones. Consistency is more important than motivation. Small daily steps create change over 7 days. Energy rises. Focus sharpens. Mood stabilizes. Others notice your glow, but reward is inside. Pride and confidence grow quietly from within. 7 days prove that change is truly possible. Even a single week resets your mind and body. Step by step, day by day, improvement comes. Trust the process. Stay consistent. Keep moving. Now, we focus on your daily energy. Small routines build strength and confidence. Morning stretching wakes up stiff muscles. It improves circulation, mood, and focus. Keep drinking water throughout the day. Hydration helps your brain and your body. Add one fruit or vegetable to each meal. Natural foods make you feel more alive. Move a little more than yesterday now. Walk stairs, stretch, or do short exercises. Even 10 minutes adds up by evening. Daily motion strengthens both body and mind. Sleep deeply. Follow a calm night routine. Turn off lights. Breathe slowly. Rest well. Good sleep repairs your cells silently. It resets your hormones and boosts energy. Train your mind with small positive steps. Write 3 things you are grateful for today. Think kind thoughts about yourself and others. Focus on solutions, not problems or fears. Limit habits that drain your strength today. Reduce sugar, junk, and unnecessary screens. Choose actions that support your mind and body. Self-control is your tool for lasting health. Build a simple plan for each coming day. Repeat steps, track progress, celebrate wins. Small improvements compound into great results. Consistency matters more than motivation now. 7 days is short, but it can reset habits. Energy rises. Focus sharpens. Body feels strong. Your mood improves. Confidence quietly grows. Every action you take matters. Start today. Trust yourself. Trust small daily routines. Health grows slowly, steadily, and surely. Keep moving and resting. Thinking clear, your life improves. One choice, one day at a time. Now, we begin the deeper daily steps. Small habits each day build lasting change. Your body learns what you consistently do. Every choice matters. Every action counts. Start your morning with deep, calm breathing. Slow breaths bring focus and reduce stress. Stretch your arms, legs, and spine gently. Now, wake up your muscles. Blood flows more fast. Keep water nearby. Sip through the morning. Hydrate often. Your cells need it always. Add fruits and vegetables to every meal. Colors on your plate give energy and health. Avoid processed snacks, sugar, and fried food. Natural meals nourish mind, body, and soul. Green, red, yellow, and orange foods empower. Every small change helps your body repair. Move your body daily. 30 minutes easy. Walk, run, stretch, or dance as you enjoy. Movement improves mood, heart, and focus. Your body gets stronger. Your mind feels clear. Sleep deeply. Protect your resting hours. Turn off screens, dim lights, breathe, and relax. Deep sleep repairs cells and balances hormones. Morning comes with fresh energy and bright focus. Train your mind with calm, positive thoughts. Write what you are grateful for each morning. Think kindly of yourself and others. Always, positive thinking changes brain chemistry fast. Reduce bad habits step by step. Gently. Limit sugar, junk, screens, and unnecessary noise. Self-control builds lasting power in your life. Choose actions that serve your mind and body. Plan your daily routines, small but steady. Repeat healthy actions every day and week. Track improvements, even tiniest little steps. Consistency wins. Small effort beats motivation. 7 days may seem short, but can reset. Energy will rise. Focus sharpens. Mood stabilizes. Confidence grows quietly inside your heart. Others see your glow, but reward is within. Trust yourself. Trust the power of small steps. Health grows slowly, steadily, surely each day. Move, eat, rest, think. Repeat with care. Your life improves. One choice, one day at a time. Now, we focus on building energy. Small steps daily create strong health. Your body grows when habits repeat. Consistency beats motivation always. Morning water wakes up tired cells. Hydration fuels your brain and body. Add fruits and veggies to each meal. Natural food gives strength and vitality. Movement is key. Walk, run, or stretch. Even 10 minutes helps your heart. Exercise improves focus, mood, and strength. Daily motion keeps body and mind clear. Sleep well. Protect your resting hours. Turn off screens, lights, and loud noise. Deep sleep repairs cells and hormones. Morning comes with energy renewed. Train your mind with calm, positive thought. Write what you are grateful for each day. Think kind thoughts about yourself and others. Positive thinking changes brain chemistry fast. Reduce bad habits step by step gently. Limit sugar, junk, and unnecessary screen time. Self-control builds lasting power in your life. Choose actions that serve both mind and body. Plan your day with simple, repeatable steps. Repeat small, healthy actions each week. Track improvements, even tiniest little ones. Celebrate progress. Small wins matter most. 7 days show that change is possible. Energy rises. Focus sharpens. Mood improves. Confidence grows quietly inside your heart. Others notice your glow. Reward is inside. Trust the process. Trust small daily habits. Health grows slowly, steadily, surely each day. Move, eat, rest, think, repeat with care. Your life improves. One step, one day at a time. Now, we focus on your daily health. Small actions repeated give strong change. Drink water often to wake up your cells. Hydration helps your mind and body grow. Fruits and vegetables every meal. Natural colors give energy and strength. Avoid sugar, fried snacks, and salty foods. Your body heals when you choose the right. Move your body daily. Walk, run, stretch. Even 10 minutes adds up each day. Now, exercise strengthens your mind and mood. Daily motion keeps your body alive, strong. Sleep well each night. Protect your hours. Turn off screens, dim lights, breathe, and rest. Deep sleep repairs your cells and hormones. Morning comes with energy and focus fresh. Train your mind with calm, positive thoughts. Write what you are grateful for each day. Think kind thoughts about yourself and others. Positive thinking reshapes your brain fast. Limit bad habits. Take small, steady steps. Reduce sugar, junk, and unnecessary screens. Self-control builds lasting power and health. Choose actions that serve your mind and body. Now, you have learned the 7 steps. Small habits each day build lasting change. Water, food, movement, sleep, and thought. Each action matters. Your body will thrive. Remember to train your mind with calm. Positive thoughts change your brain chemistry. Reduce bad habits. Take steady daily steps. Self-control grows power inside your life. Plan your day with small, repeatable steps. Consistency creates strong, lasting results. Celebrate progress, even very tiny wins. Every small action compounds into big change. 7 days can reset your life and energy. Your focus sharpens. Your mood becomes stable. Confidence quietly grows inside your heart. Others notice your glow, but reward is yours. Trust yourself. Trust your small daily habits. Health grows slowly, steadily, surely each day. Move, eat, rest, think. Repeat with care. Your life improves. One step, one day at a time. Start today, not tomorrow, next week. Begin before fear whispers. Before delay. Every action counts. Your future is bright. You can change your life, beginning today. Thank you for watching. Take these steps. Practice daily, even small effort matters. Stay motivated, stay consistent, stay strong. See you in the next video. Goodbye, friend.